Hi all, I was waiting for this guy to arrive. Suddenly it's arrived. And what it is, this is the Neato Botvac motor of the brush. It was broken in my device, so I'm curious to see if it is easy to replace and if I will be able to make it work. So what we have here, this is the old motor that was broken, this is the new one, and it came with all the wires. So I just need to do a simple connection. This is part of the switch that was inside. Okay, so new one, old broken one, it stopped spinning. Let's see, what do I need to do in order to put it inside. It's T10. Okay, so if you're searching for the number, it's T10 for this one. Just need, yeah, this is magnetic, nice. Volt, 1 amp. It's a little noisy, but it looks okay to me. It, and now I will resume in the application. And it looks like it is working perfectly. We'll soon start. That's all. Thank you and bye.